Hello there. So for this video, let's talk about accepting a friend request on Discord application. Now this is applicable for Samsung devices, iOS devices, as well as your Windows PC or even your MacBook. So the first thing I want to do right now is for across all devices, make sure you're updated to the latest version. Once everything is good to go, open up your Discord application. Let me just open mine up right there. And make sure as well that you update your Discord server. So basically for that one, go to Play Store or App Store if you're using another device. So that would be your App Store right there. In here, you should search for Discord. Let me just click it up. And I think I have a pending update for this one. However, mine is working perfectly. So as you can see, there is a pending update. However, mine is already working for the accepting a friend request. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Although I'm suggesting you finish every update you have. So going back on Discord, in here you're going to see your profile on the lower right section. This one right there. Click on there and you're going to see on the upper right section your friends. In here, click on that one right there. You should see pending friend requests. Simply click on those and accept and you'll be good to go. And by the way guys, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.